got the moving van booked, the moving guys booked. Yeah, it's really fun to feel like home now. I can't believe it. I mean, to be honest, the little sample didn't look that great. They are a bit of a hit. Priorities is putting your bin bags in there when the outside looks like that. This is nearly the last time doing this journey. Good morning guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to the final weekend of renovating before we move in to our house. We think, fingers crossed. The house is like most definitely not going to be done at all, but it's going to be done enough for us to move in. So kitchen done, bathroom done, everywhere painted and carpets in. That's like our aim to be able to move into the house. This weekend we have got so much to do. We've got a lot of painting, we've got
doors getting hung.
We've got the doors getting hung today. We also need to do a really big clear out first thing and go to the tip and just get rid of loads of stuff out of the house. Rory's basically building a cabinet for the hallway, and we also need to find a paint colour to paint the TV units as well in the living room. So it's just like a lot of painting, a lot of like final little things that need to get done. But yeah, the carpets are getting fitted on Tuesday, and we've got to have it all done by Tuesday because we do not want to be painting with brand new carpet in the house. First job of the day is going to the tip. We have literally just got so much crap, like this toilet. How the hell do you get rid of a toilet? We probably should have got another skip, to be honest, but we've just been doing a lot of tip runs. These are the doors that we've gone for. I think it's upside down though, like I think that shorter panel is meant to be at the bottom, so we've got knobs as well. And I think they're meant to go the other way around, but I need to have a look at the pictures online and have a look at what they were. Whoa, are you strong? I feel like that makes them look taller. Yeah, I don't know, does that look better? Or does that look weird? That's a better place for a door handle to be though. And then we've also got this door to go there into the kitchen. Again, it's upside down, so like that panel is meant to be at the bottom, but we wanted a glass door to come into this room. These are the door handles that we've gone for, so they'll be on all the internal doors. We needed 7 and they didn't have 7 in stock. I think we've only got about 4. So I do need to try and order. I really hope they bring them back into stock actually, because I really need to order 3 more of these. This is the current state. It's the living room. This is literally the worst room. It's so bad. But this is all the cardboard that we are taking to the tip now. I need to take that. Next decision that I need to make are colours for these cabinets and also the cabinet at the top of the stairs. I don't know if I've shown you that yet. I quite like this colour, but we've got this paint, and I tried it in the utility, and we were going to do like above a dado rail the colour in the walls here, and then below the dado rail this colour. I started painting it and I hated it, but I don't like when I'm like holding the colour up, I don't hate it. We have come back to the house. You can hear Rory banging upstairs. I've been painting this doorway into here. So this is the utility that I'm in at the moment, and I've just been painting the doorway because I had already painted this white in like the satin finish paint. Then I decided that I actually didn't want white door frames and skirting, so we had to sand it down, prime it, and now this is the second coat I've put on of this colour. So my next job, you'll be able to see it behind me now, yeah, so it's like this door frame into the utility. There's like a skirting down there and then the 2 door frames. So I've just painted that, and then I'm just about to start the back door. I think we're going to do the back door in the same colour. We did actually really want a new back door. We do think for now this one it's absolutely fine because this is what we'd want. Obviously it lets loads of light in. Eventually I'd really like to get like a barn door where, you know, they like break and then you can just open the top half. I really want one of them, but for now we're just going to keep this one. So I just need to paint this colour because obviously all these are like that as well. I'm reporting from a very nearly finished house. We have just been to Sainsbury's and picked up loads of cleaning stuff because we really need to give everywhere a really good clean. The carpets have started to get fitted today. So yesterday we were literally here until 11:30 at night. We did so much, got all the last bits of painting done, like cleaned all the rooms, but now we actually need to like actually give everywhere, not like a deep clean, but like the banister mainly really needs to get done because he's doing the stairs and the hallway tomorrow. So we need to give the banister and the stairs a good clean. All the windows need a good clean. Hand soap for upstairs, hand soap for in the utility. We've got already had some bathroom cleaner, so I can take that up. I've got glass cleaner, we've got cloths, we've got more cloths, we've got sponges, we've got multi-purpose cleaning cloths. We've got bin bags that can go in here. Oh, well, we have already got bin bags, you know. We've got like a whole roll. We've got wood cleaner for the banister because it is like a solid oak banister, and then I've also got some getter wipes as well. So hopefully this should be enough to get at least a good clean done for now. Right, let's put these in the right rooms. I mean, this room is the least ready room. This is a utility, but we have had all the sanitary ware put back in today, so this needs a clean. Also, I've just put the hand soap there. We need a new toilet seat. We need to get a windowsill. They need to go in. We need to put the worktop on top. That needs painting white because someone decided to paint a really nice radiator silver, which I don't know why. So we need to paint that still, but that has all been put in today. This was all existing. This was already here, but it's all really good quality stuff. So this was obviously the bathroom before, and there was a shower there, but we just decided to keep the sink and the toilet and everything down here. So they need a clean as well. I'm kind of like losing track of what I've kind of shown you and what I haven't shown you. But he started the bedrooms, so they kind of look really grey on camera, but they're not actually that grey. And to be honest, the little sample didn't look that grey, but they are a little bit more grey than what we thought they were going to be. But it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. So all the bedrooms are done, the bedrooms are painted, the bedrooms are clean. And this is a little built-in cupboard that Rory's building, but it's kind of just where we've ended up putting all of our stuff, to be honest. Last night we were so tired and we just thought I should put everything in there and we can sort it out another day. So now we've got to give this a clean because it's just got so much dust. I'm obsessed with these tiles. We've had so many compliments on these. Literally everyone that's walked in the house has gone, oh my God, the floor tiles are so nice, haven't they?
Yeah.
No, but I'm surprised. It's like the first thing that people have said when they come in the house is, oh my God, love the floor tiles, everyone. So
Bit of a hit.
They are a bit of a hit. Really happy with these. I'm really glad we went for the big ones because these are 900 by 900 and we were going to get 600 by 600. But I also ignore my Crocs. I've been wearing these to painting.
Good quality stuff.
Is it? What are you doing? Priorities, getting the bin bags in. Even though, look at this outside the back door, which is absolutely awful and disgusting, and we are doing a tip run tomorrow.
When you know, you know.
This isn't like normal, this is all obviously stuff from the house and like cardboard and everything. It's not just like general rubbish, but priorities is putting your bin bags in there when the outside looks like that. Also, that toilet we need to get rid of. How the hell do you get rid of a toilet? How do you get rid of a toilet, Ro?
I'm just going to try and get the tip tomorrow.
There is so many little things that we need to sort, but we'll get there. Also, just been using this. This is a glass scraper, like a paint scraper for windows, and it's been so good just for getting like the wind, because we've got like, again, solid oak windowsills, and everything was just covered in plaster and paint and dust and just stuff. This has been so good for getting up any like plaster and paint off the wood and the glass, because yeah, all the windows and stuff were kind of ruined from plaster and paint. I just said to Rory, this is nearly the last time doing this journey from the house back to his mum and dad's. We are hopefully 2 days. Is this all right? Hopefully 2 days we will be staying there. We've got the moving van booked, the moving guys booked. Okay, right, I have just been and had nails done. We went for red because they're very short. They're very short. So I have had acrylics the last 2 times I've had my nails done, and then I ripped them all off. So I've gone back to Biab. I'm really out of breath. I've just ran upstairs. I went back to Biab and we've had to go short, and I just couldn't decide on a colour. So I went for red, which I think is quite cute with short nails. I quite like doing a nice colour when they're short. I've just got back. The carpets are done. The carpets are done. Let me show you the living room. You might be able to hear Rory talking upstairs though. Although, look at this. Oh, a plumber's outside. Yeah, look at all this waste and leftover. We want to keep some of this because I was thinking when we bring our desk chairs in, I don't want the wheels on the chairs to ruin the carpet. So I think we're going to get like a square of each to put under our desk chairs, because eventually the work shed in the garden will be our office. So I don't want to ruin the carpets for no reason. I'm literally right, the plumber is sat outside in his van, so he's going to come in any minute, and then I'm going to have to stop filming because he's going to be down here with me. But I'm just about to paint this coving. That needs cutting in and that needs painting. So I've got my paint. Gonna try and not get it on the kitchen. Also, there's cloths everywhere because I've started wiping down all the windows. But yeah, it's really starting to feel like home now. I can't believe it. So exciting. So literally just need to get these bits painted and then they're done. And then there's a few scuffs on some of the walls that I also just need to touch up, which I've kind of been putting off doing. Plumber is still sat in his van, so I'll just show you quickly. The carpets are down in here. I feel like it looks quite grey on camera, but it isn't at all. Like, it's a neutral carpet. But the only thing we haven't got our thresholds yet. They're coming tomorrow, so he's going to come back and finish off all the thresholds. So at the moment, all the carpets just finished like this, but it's good enough for me. This is great. It is so much later on in the day. I think the last time I filmed was maybe like, I just had my nails done, so like 1 o'clock. It is now 6 o'clock. Like, it is way later. I don't even know where my phone is yet. It's way later. We have literally just been at the house, basically faffing around all day. Rory has booked the day off work today, but he ended up doing loads of work this afternoon, having loads of stuff to do. Finally made it to the flat, 6 o'clock. I don't think we're gonna have time to go to IKEA tonight. Also, I seem to have this like indent in my cheek all of a sudden. But yeah, we're not gonna have time to go to IKEA tonight, but we are packing up the flat. So we've just got here, and I've got this massive box. Oh, Rory, it's another box we can use. Yeah, I've just got this massive box that was just downstairs for me at the bottom of the stairs. I presume that it's PR, but I actually haven't had loads recently because I haven't been posting loads because I've been so busy. Ooh. Who is this? Welcome to Cheek Island. Morphe.
It's what?
Oh my god, it's Morphe, the makeup.
That's good stuff.
Wow. Yes. Yeah, I've got 2 double-ended brushes. Welcome to Cheek. Oh, they're cheek palettes. New Cheek Thrills, bronzer and face trios. Ooh, look at these. I've got a couple of suitcases at Rory's parents' house because that's where we've been living, but majority of our stuff has been here. So I've obviously got all my stuff out of here to take. These wardrobes we think are going to stay here. Haven't quite decided yet. Basically, they're the shallow ones, but I just don't know whether to bring them for now, but I can't really fit that much in them. These are all the cardboard boxes that we picked up earlier on. It's like I said, we have got removal people coming tomorrow, but we need to empty all the furniture to take it all. This big mirror, oh my god, I've missed this mirror so much. You know what, Raw? I've actually missed the flat. I've actually missed our stuff and our space. As much as the flat has annoyed us, I now really appreciate it. I cannot wait to be able to sit up in bed and not be under a slanted ceiling. Like, this flat has got really high ceilings, but the bedrooms are under these slants, and the only place to put our bed was under it, and I can't wait to sit up in bed. We are taking this bed and the bedside tables for now. We are going to get all new furniture, like the same with the sofa. Pretty much everything we're going to get new, but we just think to begin with, to be able to move in, we might as well take our furniture from here to start with, because otherwise it's going to be a hell of a lot of stuff to get all in one go. The boxes are here for... We've brought over the boxes for the kitchen stuff. We're just going to try and quickly get these away. And also, whilst we were doing that, the carpenter has just hung the last doors for us. So this has still got to be painted. It's going to be the same colour as these, but we've got the door into the kitchen. And then in here, we've got the door into the utility. There's still, obviously that's the rubbish for this door. Ooh, and that's some, we need to clean that as well. How good! Rory's just put the doors on the units.
They don't close very well.
Oh, why?
They're just quite tight.
Oh, look at that though. Happy? Well, that's not your fault that they don't shut right, because you bought them as ready-made units. So these are kitchen cabinets from Wix, wall units, because that means they're more shallow. And we've basically got 2 600 individual units, and Rory has...
I'll shut them up, put door handles on, they're going to be fun to open.
Yeah, I did just think that. I thought you would have put like a bit of tape or something. These are also, Rory's brother and sister-in-law got us this little vase. And then one of the neighbours really kindly, the first day when we were in, brought us an orchid, and hasn't quite made it through the renovating. So I'll just put that back there. Yeah. Oh, look, there's all our books. Oh yeah, that looks great. I love that shelf.
No, it's because I was scrolling then.
No, I'm on about that bottom one.
Right.
Right, everything is pretty much put away. got a stand mixer in there, or black stand mixer. Got Starbucks mugs up there. We've done inside the pantry-ish. It's literally 12:30 at night. We've just got back to Rory's mum and dad's. I'm whispering because they're in the room next to me and they're asleep. We've just finished-ish packing up the flat. We ran out of tape, so not all the boxes are taped up. We also ran out of boxes, so not everything is actually packed up. But basically we just prioritised getting any of the furniture that the moving people are going to take tomorrow, getting those emptied and into boxes. So like all of our clothes are in like built-in wardrobes that we can't take, so we haven't emptied any of that yet because we're going to try and go to IKEA tomorrow and get rails because we've got nowhere to put our clothes. Completely emptied the flat, or like we're not going to. We're going to do it bit by bit, like all our toiletries and stuff like that. Like we don't need to do them yet, but we have had to obviously empty like chests of drawers, desk drawers, TV cupboards, stuff like that. So that's all the stuff we've been packing up. Such a long day and night again. We've been doing loads of late nights recently. Like I think the past 4 nights we've been like at the house working till late. So this weekend I need a big fat chill weekend. Rory's actually going away this weekend. I'm so glad I'm not. So anyway, I'm gonna leave it here for tonight. So I will see you tomorrow for when we officially move in.